Here we go. We have a question, nearest multiple of 10. So you have given a string represented a positive number. Our task is to round string to the nearest multiple of 10. If you have two multiples equally apart, then we need to choose the smallest element. So in this case, if we round up the value will become 30. Then in this case, if I round up, we have two values, either 10 or 20, which is of equal distance, and we need to choose the smallest number, which is 10. So let's try to build the approach. Let's say we have this test case. In this test case, we have to round up, sorry, to 1230. So if the last digit is smaller than 5, if the last digit is smaller than or equal to 5, we can say, then we have to choose, we have to just set the last value to 0 and all the other values stay same. So we does not need to update this value. Actually, we don't need to update all the other values. We just need to set the last value and no need to carry forward a value. So let's check for another test case. So we have this test case. In this test case, this value will set to 40 and we have to carry one number. So the carry will add here and it will add it to 40. Then all the other numbers stay same. Then let's talk about this test case. In this test case, this digit will become 0 and we need to carry one digit. So it will give us 10, but 10 we cannot take, we have to take the modulus. So it will give us 0 and 1 will carry forward again. So 1 will carry forward. In this case, the value will become this. For this case, we have to round up to the nearest positive. So I have already told you that if the last digit is less than or equal to 5, we just need to set 0 and no need to carry forward a value. In this case, the last digit will set to 0 and we need to carry one value. So the value will become 0 and again carry, then it will become 0, again carry, then it will become 2. So we have to convert this. So let's say we have this test case, 9 9 9, then 6, or let's say 7. So in this case, this value will become 0 and 1 carry forward. So here 1 0 again carry forward. Here 10, we need to take the modulus, again carry 0, then again carry. Then we are out of a string. We have one carry left, so we need to just add the carry. So if carry left after traversing this from backwards, so we need to add the carry. So let's code this. So first we need to check, first we need to find out n, carry and I starting from backwards. If the last digit, if the last digit is greater than 5, then only we need to take the carry. So I am just checking the last digit. If it is greater than 5, we need to carry one value. Or we have a string builder, then we need to append 0. We need to append 0. If the last digit is 0, we are just appending 0 and moving to the second last digit. If the last digit, if the last digit is greater than, we need to 0 anyways, and if the last digit less than 5 or equal to 5, we need to add 0 anyways. So 0 will be stay at the last position and we are at the second last position. Either we have carry 1 or carry 0. While I is greater than 0, so we need to take out the value. First we need to add the carry and convert the ith character into an integer. Then we need to append, we need to insert at the 0th location because we are traversing from backwards, so we need to insert at the starting. So we just need to take the modulus and this carry we have to fill, we need to take out the carry. If the number is 9, we are adding 1, so 0 is added, 0 is inserted, and we need to again take 1 as a carry. So move to, we are traversing from backwards, as you know. If carry is still there, we need to insert at the 0 location, the value is 1. So at the end, just convert your string to string builder to string. So let's give it a try And let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, the time complexity is order of n. We have a single while loop and space complexity is constant. If you have learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. If you don't like this video, press the dislike button twice just to be make sure. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.